back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Six laps in the book. We got a car turned around at turn 4. Cam, safety caution is out. Good job, drivers. Edge Hot Mod feature, 6 laps in the books, 15-lap feature. Brought to you by Galaxy Food Centers of St. Mary's and Middleburn, West Virginia. America's baddest bull ring, Tyler County Speedway. Edge Hot Mod feature going back to green flag racing. Things get a bit dicey in the back as again Jason Todd looks to the inside of Moreland. Moreland slams the door as they come out of turn number 4. Todd looks again to the inside. Magyar is catching up. Magyar goes from 5th to 3rd, and he's reeling in the number 2 car of Jason Todd. This time by, it'll be lap number 8. Will it be enough time for the 50 car of Steve Magyar? Out front, Michael Moreland, Jason Todd. Todd looking to the inside of Moreland as they come out of turn 2. Turn 3, Moreland goes up high once again. Todd goes down low, nothing there. But the more those two race, now Magyar looking to the inside of Jason Todd as they come out of turn number 4. Magyar looking, nothing there. Lap 10, 5 to go. Moreland extends his lead, followed by Todd, Magyar, Carson Thomas, Mike Cromer. Magyar now looking again on the back bumper of Jason Todd. Magyar sends it down low, coming out of turn 2. Magyar. Leah Brightwell gets off the track and down to the infield safely. We're still under green flag racing. Magyar puts a slide job on Jason Todd. Magyar moves up to the 2nd position, sets his sights on Michael Moreland. Lap 13 in the books, 15-lap feature. All Michael Moreland has to do is hang on. Magyar in 2nd, Jason Todd in 3rd, Carson Thomas in 4th, Cromer in 5th. The 11 car comes into turn 3 out of 4. These 4 cars get grouped up. There's your winner, Michael Moreland. Cars get spun around coming out of turn number 1. Wreckers or checkers. There is your winner, Michael Moreland, followed by Steve Magyar. Jason Todd, your top 3.
Congratulations, Michael, on your win tonight.
Thank you, sir. It was a little bit cowboy up tonight. My hands are a little numb trying to hold on to the steering wheel, but it was hard earned, but it was fun.
Congratulations. Thank you.